Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to send Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Kraken wallet. And once you're inside your Kraken wallet, on the bottom bar, you'll be seeing a bunch of icons. Simply tap on icon that says portfolio. And once you're inside your portfolio, there you'll be seeing your cryptocurrency, that is your Bitcoin. Now simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be sent to this page. Now on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your three dot icon. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be provided with these options like convert, deposit, withdraw, and BTC details. Simply tap on withdraw. And once you tap on withdraw, here you'll be seeing these two options, that is Bitcoin and Lightning. And now these are two networks. Now what you need to do is just go to your next another wallet, and there open up and log into your wallet. And once you're there, here you'll be seeing your assets. Now simply tap on Bitcoin, and once you tap on Bitcoin, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now simply tap on three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be provided with these three options, that is set price alert, deposit BTC, and withdraw. Simply tap on deposit BTC, and once you tap on BTC, here you'll be seeing the option that says select network. Simply select the Bitcoin and then tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, you'll be seeing this kind of page. Tap on understood, and here you'll be seeing this receive BTC page. Now, and under it you'll be seeing your BTC address. Now here all you gotta do is simply copy it. Tap on the icon right beside the address, and it will be copied. And once you copy it, what you need to do is go back to your Kraken wallet, and here select the network that says Bitcoin. And once you select the network, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now select the option that says withdraw to, and then simply tap on allow paste, and there your address will be pasted. And then once you do that, here what you need to do is tap on next. And once you tap on next, here you'll need to enter in a description for the address. And once you have done with that, tap on next. And once you tap on next, here what you need to do is just simply confirm the details that you have entered. And once you have confirmed it, simply tap on save and continue. And once you are done with that, here you will be asked to confirm your BTC address. Now what you need to do is head over to your registered Gmail or mail account, and there you'll be seeing this kind of confirmation mail. Now all you gotta do is just simply check your location and IP address, and then tap on confirm address. And once you do that, head over back to the Kraken wallet, and then here you'll be seeing an option that says review. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seen to this BTC withdraw page. Now all you gotta do is just simply check all the details, and then once you're done checking it, simply swipe to confirm. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.